but you don't see too many faces. Coming in out of the rain, they hear the jazz go down. Competition, too many other places. Yeah, but the horns, they're blowing that sound, they're blowing way on down south. Way on down south, London town. Right. Check it out, Guitar George. Now he knows all them fancy chords. Ain't just rhythm gonna make that guitar cry and make it sing. Send an old guitar and just all he can afford. When he gets up under them colored lights, gonna play that thing. Then Harry doesn't mind if he doesn't make that fancy scene. Got daytime job, you're doing quite alright, thank you very much. Do the honky tonk just like anything. Sailing up for a Friday night with the Sultans. Yeah, with the Sultans on swing. And a crowd of boys, they're just fooling around in the corner. Drunken dress their baggies in their best King's Row. Don't give a damn about any trumpet playing man, 'cause it ain't what they callin' it rock and roll. The Sultans. Oh yeah, the Sultans play Creole. Just to step right up to the microphone, he says at last, just as the time bell rings, and you good night, now it's time to go home. Then you make it fast with just one more thing. We are the Sultans. Yeah, we are the Sultans.